Character. Character. Behavior desek болады, иә? Поступка ғой, дұрыс па?
Yes.
Behavior. Behavior деген жаңа мінез құлқын байқаймын. Hello, Айзере. Hello.
Сәлеметсіз бе?
Yeah. How are you, Айзере?
Жақсы.
I'm fine. Айтамыз. I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good. Айзере, can you read this sentence, please? Айзере, мына оқып жіберіңіз сөйлемді.
What is the first thing you notice about a person?
What is the first thing? Яғни, не нәрсе дейді, не нәрсе, thing деген зат қой. Не нәрсені дейді, you notice дейді, сен байқайсың дейді. Бір адамнан не нәрсені байқайсың дейді, көрген кезде сразу. Мысалға, Ағайша қызымыз айтты, the first thing I notice about a person is his or her behavior. Яғни, ол адамның ең бірінші байқайтын нәрсесі не істеді? Мінез құлқын байқаймын деді. Сіз несін байқайсыз? Мысалға, может, шашын байқайсыз, көзін байқайсыз. Нені байқайсыз?
Yes. I know think about a person is his eyes.
Yeah, his or her eyes. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Thank you, Ayzera. That's good. Thank you. Yes, Alisha, next one. Next sentence, please. What clothes? Aisha, are you here? Aisha. Aisha. Okay, Aisha is not here. Aizere, can you read the sentence, please? Aizere, nasıl söyleyeyim okuyucu veriniz? What clothes? What do the clothes?
What do you clothes someone wears say about the person?
Yes, what do the clothes someone wears say about the person? Yani ne dedi? Kiyimler ya, kiyimler, clothes. Kiyimдер дейді, адамдардың кигені, ол адамдар туралы не айтады деп ойлайсың дейді, адамның киімдері.
Мінез құлқын вроде.
They say about a person's, адамның, persons. They say about a person's character, yes, character, яғни мінез құлқы туралы айтады деді. Can you repeat the sentence, Айзере? Сөйлемді оқып жіберіңіз. Айталап.
They say about a person character.
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 That's good. Thank you. That's good. Aisha?
Yes, yes.
Yes, please. Can you read the sentence, please? What?
What do the clothes someone wears say about that person?
Киімі ол адам туралы не айтады деп ойлайсыз дейді?
The clothes a person wears can say a lot about their personality. And even their lifestyle.
Oh, even their lifestyle. Wow, Aisha, I like that. Thank you. That's good. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Aisha, can you read the next sentence, please?
Is there a part of your appearance that you are very proud of? Eyes, fashion, things, hair.
Yeah. Very proud of деген не еді, Aisha ханым?
What?
Very proud. What does it mean? Very proud.
Proud? Аңызды ма?
Мақтанатын дейді, иә? Яғни сіздің денеңізде бір мақтанатын бір дене мүшеңіз бар ма дейді, соны айта аласыз.
Yes. I am very proud of my hair and my sense of fashion. And I love expressing myself through my style.
Wow, fantastic. Thank you. That's good. Aisha, anything else?
No.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'm glad to see you, Miss Aisha. Yeah, you are here. Thank you. Yes, Aizere? Can you read the sentence, please? Söylemde okuyun. Is there?
Келесі сөйлем.
Yeah, is there деген нәрсе тұр ғой. Is there?
There a part of your appearance that you are very proud of eyes, fashion, synthesis, hair, aids.
Яғни appearance деген сыртқы келбет қой. Сіздің сырт келбетіңізде мақтанатын бір неңіз бар ма дейді, мүшеңіз бар ма дейді, бір бөлігіңіз бар ма дейді. Мысалға Ағайша ханым шашын айтты, сосын жаңағыдай киім үлгісін айтты, сол сияқты сіз де бір нәрсе айтсаңыз болады. I am very proud of деген мынау мен өте мақтан тұтам дейді. Сол сияқты.
I'm very proud of my бой. Рост.
Of my height. Вы русской школе учитесь, да, Айзера, или казахской?
Қазақша, бірақ орысша көп сөйлеймін.
Окей, все, без проблем. Если будете спрашивать, на русском могу перевести, на казахский, без проблем. I am very proud of my height. Height это у нас про рост, да? Can you repeat the sentence? Айзера, қайталап жіберіңіз. Повторите, пожалуйста.
I'm very proud of my face, my hair, and my eyes. I'm beautiful as my mother.
Yeah, I am as beautiful as my mother. As это у нас так как, да? Я такая же красивая, как моя мама, да? Okay, can you repeat again, please, Айзера? Еще раз повторим. I am very proud of.
I'm very proud of my height, my hair, and my eyes. I am beautiful as my mother.
Yeah, that's good. I like that. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yes, Miss Ағайша.
Yes.
What is the most interesting haircut you have seen? Ең қызықты
The most interesting haircut I have seen was a very colorful hairstyle.
Hairstyle.
Or a uniquely shaped pattern.
Okay, uniquely shaped pattern. Wow.
Yes.
Fantastic. And Miss Ағайша, have you ever tried to change your hairstyle?
Change?
Yes, have you ever tried to change your own hairstyle? I know that you have very long hair and it's so beautiful. And have you ever tried to change your hairstyle?
I like. It's very interesting.
Okay. You like your hairstyle, yeah?
Yes.
Good. Thank you. Yes, Miss Ayzire?
The most interesting haircut I have seen. Very curly hairstyle and long.
And long hairstyle, yeah? Good. So, Miss Ayzire, where do you live? Yeah. Where do you live? Do you live in Astana?
Yes.
So in Astana, there are many people, yes, who have different kinds of hairstyle. Am I right? То есть в Астане живут многие люди, да, с разными стилями, да, волос? Okay. Thank you. Yes, next one, please. Ағайша.
Yes. Have you ever gone through the entire day without noticing something was wrong with your appearance?
иә. То есть сіз күні бойы жүргеніңіз есіңізде ма дейді, яғни сіздің жаңағы бет әлпетіңізде бір нәрсе болып қалғанын байқамастан дейді, иә. Without noticing деген жаңағы байқамастан дейді да. Может, түймеңіз жүріп қалған, немесе жаңа айтты ғой, food in your teeth дейді, тісіңізге тамақ тұрып қалған деген сияқты. Сондай болған ба?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes I only notice
Notice.
at the end of the day that there was a stain on my clothes.
Ooh, fantastic, Miss Aisha. That's good. That's good. And it happens. How often does it happen?
How
How often does it happen? Yeah, you said that.
sometimes.
Yeah, it happens sometimes. Yeah, that's good. Aisha, that's good. Your English is getting better and better day after day.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. That's good. Yes, Aizire?
Yes.
Can you read the sentence, please? Have you ever... Прочитаем вопрос, потом переводим вместе, потом будем отвечать, окей?
Have you ever gone the entire day without noticing something wrong with your appearance?
With your appearance. Yes. Have you ever gone through the entire day? Yeah. Вы ходили ли вот весь день, да? Entire day у нас весь день, не замечая, да? Notice это у нас замечать же, да? Without это без. Не замечая, что что-то случилось с вашей вот внешним видом, да? Видом. То есть missing button это у нас типа түймеленбей қалған түйме ма қолдағы, иә? Или что-то застрял в зубах, да? Такое случилось ли у вас?
Да, случилось.
Yes, I have. Тогда скажем yes, I have. Когда случилось?
В парке, когда я ела мороженое, например.
It happened when...
When eating бургер или айскрим, да, можно делать, когда. И потом там зубы застрял.
That's good. That's good. You can say, yeah, repeat the sentences. It happened. Вот это повторяем.
Yes, I have. It happened when I was eating an ice cream.
Yeah, that's good. Айзере, саламатсыз. Я курса, Ағылшын тілі курс. French maybe. That's good. That's good. Thank you, Айзере. I love it. I love it, Айзере. Thank you. Ағайша.
Yes. What kinds of things do you do to improve, maintain your appearance? I try.
Good.
I try to match my outfits well and take care of my skin and keep my hair in good shape.
In good shape. Fantastic. Wow. Aisha, that's good. I like that. Thank you. Айзере, what kinds of things
do you improve, maintain your appearance?
Да. Что вы делаете, чтобы, как его, improve это у нас развивать, да? Развивать или же поддерживать ваш внешний вид. Что вы делаете? Что вы делаете? For example, можно сказать, I wash my hair twice a week, for example. 2 раза в неделю мою голову. I sometimes put a makeup. I sometimes put a makeup. Это у нас, иногда вот ношу makeup, да? Can you read the sentence, please, Айзере? I wash,
I wash my hair twice a week. I sometimes put some makeup.
Yeah, you sometimes put a makeup. Do you understand? Айзере, понятно, да?
Yes.
That's good. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Next one. Miss Ағайша.
Yes. Are there any fashion trends in the past you followed but are embraced about now?
Yes, embarrassed about now. То есть в прошлом вы исследовали эту моду, да, эту моду, но сейчас стесняетесь, да? Ұяласыз ол модан көрсеңіз, ұяласыз.
There were times when I put together some unusual outfit
Outfit? Yeah.
combinations, and now when I look at old pictures, I just love.
Yeah, you just laugh, yeah?
Yes.
That's good.
But at that time I like it, so I don't feel to embrace it.
Okay, so it's okay, you think, yes?
Yes.
That's good. Ағайша, thank you. Fantastic. That's good. Yes, Айзере?
Are there any fashion trends in the past you followed but are embarrassed about now?
Yes, embarrassed about now, да? Есть ли какое-то вот модные тренды, да, в прошлом, которые вы следовали, но сейчас стесняетесь про этот тренд? Есть такой тренд?
Нет.
Oh,
Всегда же можно утилизировать.
Okay.
Что?
Yeah, no, there aren't. I am always. Я всегда что? Радость, да, с этими, да? I'm always
Да.
happy with any trends I choose. Я всегда довольна трендами, которые я выбираю. Choose это у нас что? Выбирать. Can you read the sentence, please, Miss Айзере?
Yes, there are. No, there aren't. I'm always happy which trend I choose.
Yes, with any trends I choose. Yeah, that's good. Айзере, fantastic. Айзере. Yes, Ағайша, the next question.
Yes. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? It takes me about 15-20 minutes, but sometimes, depending on the occasion, it can take longer.
Oh, it can take more, huh? Yeah. For example, Ағайша, how long does it take you to get ready to a birthday party? Your friend's birthday party. How long does it take you?
It takes me about 2 or 3 hours.
Oh, 2 or 3 hours. Wow.
Yes.
That's good. Thank you. Thank you. Айзере?
How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
Yeah. Сколько занимает, да, вам утром, чтобы быть каким? Get ready, готовый, да, ко дню. Сколько времени занимает вас? It
takes me about 13 minutes to get ready.
13 minutes.
Yes.
This one, 13 minutes or 30 minutes? Which one?
30.
30 minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay. And Ayzera, how long does it take you to get ready to go shopping? How long does it take you to get ready to go shopping?
Шопинг жасау үшін ба?
Yeah, сколько времени понадобится, чтобы там пойти погулять? Делать.
Примерно.
About. It takes me about.
It takes
Сколько? 10 minutes.
час с половиной, наверное.
Okay.
Час и потом половина.
Is 1 and
Or
half hour, yeah? 1.5 hour. It takes me about. Вот это можешь прочитать, повторять. Айзера, can you repeat the sentence, please?
it takes my about 1.5 minutes to get ready.
To get ready to go shopping. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Girls, yeah, it takes you a long time. Thank you, Ayzera. Thank you. Yeah. Yes, Miss Aisha.
Yes.
Hmm?
Have you ever been intimidated by someone's appearance?
Hmm?
Mm,
Intimidated. То есть запуганный, да? Когда были ли вы запуганы чьим-то внешним видом, яғни бір адамның сыртқы келбетіне қарап деп қорқып кеткеніңіз болған ба дейді сіздің?
типа сенімсіз бола ма?
Иә, біреуді көресіз да, сөйтіп қорқып кетесіз. Мынаның түріне не болған деген сияқты, сөйтіп қорқып дейді. Не болған маған деген сияқты.
Sometimes someone's style or beauty really impresses me,
Yeah.
and I wonder, will that look good on me too?
Oh, yeah, that's good.
But I believe that everyone has their own unique beauty.
Yeah, they have their unique beauty, yes? Unique
Yes.
beauty. Wow, I like that. Fantastic. Are you making this sentence by yourself?
Yes.
Oh, that's great, Aisha. Oh my God, fantastic sentences. I like that. Thank you. Yeah. Ayzere,
Yes.
have you ever been, which time?
Have you ever been intimidated by someone's appearance?
Appearance, да. Have you ever been intimidated by someone's appearance? Intimidated — это означает запуганный. Вы когда-нибудь были ли запуганы, да, чьим-то внешним видом?
Нет, я еще такого не встретила. Не было такого.
Да, можно сказать no, I haven't, yeah? Okay, thank you. Next sentence. Can you read the next sentence, Ayzere? Следующее предложение тоже прочитаем.
Do you people in your country talk a lot about other people's appearance?
Да. Люди ли, да, в вашей стране много ли обсуждают внешний вид других людей? В вашей стране, говорится.
Yes.
Туно не киіп ой, вообще деп айтады ғой, иә?
Да.
Yes, they do. Can you read the sentence, please?
Yes, they do. I usually hear people talking about other people's appearance.
Да. Я часто слышу, как, да, люди говорят про других людей, да, про других людей. Понятно, да, предложение, Айзере, которое вы прочитали? Чунга-чанга. Oh, my dear, чунга-чанга. Ага, понятно, да, Айзере, предложение?
Понятно, да.
That's good. I like that. Thank you. Yes, Aisha?
Yes. Do people in your country talk a lot about other people's appearance?
Hmm.
Yes, in my country, people often discuss others' appearances, and especially in casual conversations or social settings, and sometimes it's just a compliment, but other times it can turn into criticism.
Yeah, criticizing or the judgment.
Yeah, yes. Yes.
Criticizing.
And however, in recent years, more people are became aware that appearance isn't everything.
That's good. Yeah, yeah. In recent years, yes? Yeah,
Yes.
of course. Yeah. That's good. Fantastic. Ayşe, can you read the last sentence, please?
Is it rude to tell a person that they need to improve their appearance? It depends on how and where you say it.
Yeah.
If you say it kindly and a supportive way, like giving patient advice to friends, it might be acceptable.
Acceptable, yeah, acceptable.
And however, if it's said in a rude or judgmental way, and it can hurt a person's feelings and come off as offensive.
Offensive, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good, Ayşe. I like that. Thank you. Yes, please. Ayşe, please. Last question, please.
It is rude to tell a person that they need to improve their appearance.
Yeah, is it rude? Грубовато ли, да? Грубовато ли? Rude, это у нас грубовато же, да? Грубовато ли сказать людям, сказать человеку, да, то, что они должны вот improve, развивать, да, ну, как его, улучшить свои вид. Это нормально или грубо?
Нормально.
So you can say no, it isn't. Can you read, please, the sentence?
No, isn't. If my advice helps someone, I am always ready to help.
Yeah. Понятно то, что вы прочитали? Переведите, пожалуйста. No, it isn't.
Нет.
If my advice helps someone, если мой совет поможет кому-то, я рада всегда что?
Помогаю.
Да, всегда рада помочь. Okay?
Да.
That's good, Айзеля. I like your pronunciation, Айзеля. Ваше вот произношение очень хорошее, молодец. Классно. Thank you. Yes, now let's speak about not architecture. Let's speak about art. Yes, let's speak about art. Art, это у нас искусство, өнер. Miss Ayşe, please, can you start? Ayşe, are you here? Okay, Ayşe, are you here? Thank you, Chunga. Thank you, really appreciate it.
Yes. How often do you go to art museums?
Yes, how often do you go to art museums? Yes, museums. Как часто вы ходите в музей искусства? Өнер музейлеріне сіз қаншалықты уақыттар барып тұрасыз?
I don't go to art museums very often. But when I get to change, I will enjoy visiting them.
When you get what? When you get tense? Yeah. What did you say? When I get tense, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Fantastic. Ayşe. You are my best student, Miss Ayşe. You are one of my best students. Yeah, I like that. I like your sentences. That's good. How can I say? I really enjoy your speaking. Ayşe, thank you. That's
Thank
good.
you.
Yes, Ayşe, can you read this question, please?
How often do you go to art museum? Я вообще не хожу.
Yeah, вот это у нас hardly ever у нас, ну, близко к никогда, да? Ну, почти никогда означает, да? Hardly ever. И можете прочитать вот это предложение. Can you read the sentence, Ayşe?
I hardly ever go to art museum because I don't have much time.
Yeah. Теперь перевод. Я почти никогда.
Не хожу на музей, потому что
Much time. У меня много времени, что? Нету, да? Don't have much time. I don't have much time. That's good. I like it. Alina Hanım. Hello. Hoş geldiniz. Thank you. Arkadaşlar, can you read the next sentence, please?
Yes. Do you consider yourself to be artistic?
Do you consider? Считаете ли вы себя артистичной, да, или же искусственным человеком? Человек искусства, да? Өнер адам деп санайсыз ба өзіңізді?
Yes, I consider myself to be a creative person. I like drawing, writing, and things related to design.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Can you draw well, Miss Ayşe?
Yes.
I want to see some pictures that you draw, okay? Send me later some photos to my WhatsApp, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Wow. And who do you want to be in the future, Ayşe? Maybe fashion designer?
I like drawing, design clothes.
Design clothes. Okay. So let Allah accept your dreams and you can become one of the best,
Yes, thank
like
you.
one of the best designers as Armani, Gucci, yes, and Dolce & Gabbana.
Yes.
Yeah. Let Allah.
Thank you.
That's good. Yeah, thank you. Ayşe, please, can you read a question, please? Do you
consider yourself to be artistic?
Autistic. Считаете ли вы себя человеком искусства? Увлекаетесь ли вы, да, вот этим, как его, рисованием, или же пианино, или же домбра, играть на домбре, или танцами, да, увлекаетесь? Do you like dancing?
Yes.
Or playing the piano? So what time?
Можно на русском, да?
Да, я помогу перевести.
Я люблю там играть на домбре и шанкопус, да, люблю танцевать, петь, рисовать.
Yeah. So I love playing the dombra. Can you play the dombra?
Yes.
Wow. Do you have dombra now with you?
Сколько лет, да?
No, do you have the dombra now with you? Есть ли у вас сейчас dombra рядом?
Нет, я в школе забыла.
Okay.
Я учусь там в музыкальной школе там.
Okay. Next time, play for us, yes? Ayşe.
Thank you.
В следующий раз поиграйте нам.
Да, хорошо.
Okay. Thank you. That's good. Can you read the sentence, please? Ayşe, can you read the sentence?
Yes. I do consider myself as a creative. I love playing the dombra.
Dombra, dancing, yes? Там что было еще? Dancing and... Что было?
Петь.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Oh my God. I have very artistic students. Yeah, I'm very proud of you guys. That's good. I like that. I like that. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, next one. Avisha, please. The next question. What do you think?
Yes, what do you think about modern art paintings? Modern art can sometimes be hard to understand.
What about drawing the art paintings yourself? Would you try to paint to make a picture like that?
Yes, I like.
What modern artists do you know? Can you give us some names of the artists, modern artists? Picasso, no?
No, I don't know.
You don't know any artists, okay? Yeah. Thank you, Avisha. And Aizire?
What do you think about modern painting?
Что вы думаете насчет современной вот этого искусства, да? Картин искусств. I think they're amazing, yes? Можно сказать, да? I think they are amazing. Они превосходны. Ну-ка, повторяем. Repeat, please.
I think they are amazing.
Yes, I think they're amazing. That's good. А если теперь вот видеоурок есть, да, в Телеграме, видеоурок нужно посмотреть и делать домашнюю работу, классную работу и отправлять фото моей ассистентке Гульзира, окей? Гульзира ханым. Отправляем. Понятно, как делается?
Да, понятно.
Окей.